This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending February 22nd, 2025. The market finished lower this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased minus 1.69% on Friday and was down minus 2.51% for the week. The S&P 500 decreased minus 1.71% on Friday and was down minus 1.66% for the week. The Nasdaq decreased minus 2.2% on Friday and was down minus 2.51% for the week. But that doesn't really matter because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow or income from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin was down minus 2.53% this week. But that doesn't really matter much either because I still got cash flow from Bitcoin. And I will as long as Bitcoin is volatile. And we know that Bitcoin, if nothing else, is volatile. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month, from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and ETFs. I created a watch list I use to determine which options of Bitcoin stocks and ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, ticker symbol GBTC in the third column. It was down minus 3.78% on Friday and decreased minus 2.53% for the week. Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is a Bitcoin ETF. The fund holds Bitcoin in an effort to reflect the value of Bitcoin held by the fund, determined by reference to the index price, less the fund's expenses and other liabilities. The fund offers investors a way to indirectly invest in Bitcoin and participate in Bitcoin's price movement. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 7 different option contracts that range from $52.34 to $234.33. I received a total of $844.36 for the 7 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. Yes, that is more than $2,000 per month, but I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. What do you think I should do with my $844.36 this week? I will probably take it out. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately in every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. Last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased minus 2%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Anyone can learn how to do this with the right knowledge. There are many books and videos available to you to learn how to invest, trade, and generate cash flow. Your results will differ, of course, depending on what stocks and options you use. I now use Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs to generate cash flow and income. What do you do? Work? Well, I hope your back holds out. YouTube? How many subscribers and how many views do you need every week? 1 million? Stock dividends. How often are dividends paid? Quarterly? weekly, monthly? And how much do you have to generate at least $2,000 a month? $500,000? Bonds? What's the interest rate on your bonds? To receive $2,000 a month at a 4% interest rate, you need about $600,000 in bonds. Do you have that much? Real estate. Do you know that pending sales are down this year? And rent is falling. In Chicago, you need a house or apartment that ranges between $350,000 to $650,000 to generate at least $2,000 a month in rental income. And then you have to handle the related expenses and headaches. How much time do you have to spend dealing with landlord issues? My related expenses were zero, and I spent almost no time. Instead, I spend my time doing things like this. Check back every week to see how much cash flow or income I generate from week to week and whether or not I meet my cash flow goals. And please, like, share, subscribe. Oh, yeah, you can hit that notification as well. Thank you.